Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a backlit text effect in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1920 by 1080. Go to the Type tool and type your text. The font name is Config Rounded. Change its color to light gray. Then go to the Effect menu, 3D, and Materials, Extrude and Bevel. And select Isometric Right from the presets. Then move to Lighting. Turn on the shadows. Change the position to below object. Follow my other settings. Uncheck the ambient light option. Finally, click the Render button. You can change the colors. And edit it very easily. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section.
Thank you for watching.